Hiya Cara, fáilte chuig an bhí seán seo ó Let's Learn Irish. My name is Jamie and today we're going to be learning how to say Happy St. Patrick's Day in Irish, along with some useful phrases that you can use on the 17th of March. How to say Happy St. Patrick's Day, you would say Lá Féile Pádraig Sona duit for one person. This is a very useful greeting to use every March the 17th. For more than one person, you would say Lá Féile Pádraig Sona daoibh. So you would switch duit to daoibh. Another option is to say Beannachtaí Féile Pádraig oraibh, which means St. Patrick's Day blessings on you. If you want to say a toast in Irish, simply use the word slánta, which means good health, and the Irish for shamrock is shamróg. So there you have it. Sin é a chairde. I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. For more Irish, be sure to check out the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com. Slán go fóill!